Today I've gotten something very exciting. Got Atropos. This took 2 months to arrive, and let's see if it's worth it, because I'm very impatient. But yeah. Wow! We got the sticker. And we got it. Here it is. Tolerances are really good. I got mine. And these are good out of the box for me. Here. No tap, let's go. Alright, so we're gonna do a cutting test now. It already cut my finger, but yeah. Let's look at it. Oh yeah. Straight through there, easy. Hello, it is the next day, and I've got my Atropos Spy right here. Yeah, it's over concrete. This is a very nice valley, so I'm not gonna be flipping it too much right here, but I am going to give a sound test. So yeah, here it is. But I've never really held like a piece of titanium before, you know? So this feels amazing to me. You know, something like the Volt, which obviously you can't really compare them. They're in different price ranges, but like the Volt is extremely slippery because of the aluminum. But this thing is, it's so like, it's grippy, it's nice. Even though it's like, there's no jimping or anything. You just don't need it, which I love. So one thing I have noticed is that it did develop tap, but it's not horrible, and it's not that bad. Like, it also, the other thing that's kind of annoying about this is that it uses safety torques. Look at this, see that? Like the pins inside, that's so annoying. Like, why would you do that, bro? But like, I'm not too mad about it. I'll just get a safety torque set. Overall, great value for money. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed that review. I'll see you later.